and we're gonna start my makeup routine. So I'll be right back, okay? Off the oily area so that you're not like greasy looking or shiny. And I'll let you see that in a minute, okay? I'll be right back. I go in and I'll dip into the powder just to make it smooth so when I apply the makeup. You notice how I'm doing that? Okay, and I'll come to the ridge of the nose. Be real careful. Pull out and bring up. This is like finish, It goes like really good, like with my complexion. And you can use like, I have a little mole there that's kind of a little dark. Like I said, this is my very first one, so I'm doing it with my iPhone. And